On to other news now. It's been 2 days since Michael Belnavis resigned as chairman of the St. Ann Municipal Corporation, and more pressure is mounting for him to face harsher penalties. This time, the opposition is calling for Mr. Belnavis to sever all ties from representational politics. Here's Kalisha Williams with that story.
The head table at the St. Ann Municipal Corporation has been left vacant since Friday after the resignation of this man, then Chairman Michael Belnavis. 2 days later, and the former chairman is facing more pressure.
And resignation doesn't seem to serve as a hindrance, as this thing just continues to happen and is happening just too frequently. I believe the investigations by the various agencies and authorities, including the police, must be done. And where the punishment is required, it must be administered.
Speaking with our news center on Sunday, opposition spokesperson on local government Natalie Nita insisted that it would be unfair to the public if Mr. Belnavis does not face the full force of the law.
The issue of this illegally placing a building on a public property must also be investigated, and the chips must fall where they may. When ordinary Jamaicans commit these acts of being illegally on people's land, they're oftentimes treated according to the law. Buildings are bulldozed and families are displaced. So as officials, we must be held to an even higher standard.
The resignation of the St. Anne's Bay mayor came after increased calls for him to pack up and go over the past few weeks. This after it was revealed that Mr. Belnavis is a director of a private company that captured government land and constructed a building in violation of the Building Act. He also faced criticism for installing a charging port at the municipal corporation building for his private luxury vehicle without authorization.
Having resigned after you have committed these acts, if there is criminality found in his action following investigation, then he must also be removed from the ticket as being a local government representative. It's not just about being mayor, but he's still a representative of the people.
In the meantime, General Secretary of the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers, JALGO, Helene Davis White, says Mr. Belnavis' resignation should serve as a lesson to other politicians.
In an era where the citizens are not just willing to sit idly by and allow our elected officials to do all manner of evil and not be called out for it.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.